Is your Infiniti QX50 key fob not working? Let's get it fixed. The most common culprits are a dead battery or a fob that needs resyncing with your car. First, replace the battery. The QX50 fob uses a CR2032 lithium coin battery. Pry open the fob carefully with a small screwdriver and replace the battery, making sure the polarity matches. If a new battery doesn't solve the issue, try resyncing the fob. Get in your car with the key, cycle the ignition to the on position, and then press the lock-unlock buttons on the fob in a specific sequence. Check your owner's manual for the exact steps for your QX50 model. These two simple fixes solve 80 to 90% of key fob problems, getting you back on the road quickly. If this doesn't work, proceed to the next section. When battery replacement and resyncing don't resolve the issue, the problem likely lies with your QX50's receiver system, specifically the body control module, or BCM. The body control module acts as the central receiver, processing signals from the key fob. If the BCM is faulty, the fob will fail to communicate properly. These receiver issues are less common but demand professional attention. Consult your local automotive technician for accurate diagnosis. Dealerships often employ Bluetooth-enabled diagnostic scanners to perform quicker resyncs and identify underlying issues. Many QX50 owners choose aftermarket Bluetooth adapters that enable phone-based vehicle control, effectively bypassing traditional fob problems. The automotive industry is shifting toward digital keys and smartphone integration, offering more reliable access methods. By understanding these advanced solutions, you can effectively address most key fob issues and minimize unnecessary trips to the mechanic.